It's been raining like this for over an hour, and during the rainy season, this deluge has been the hardest I've experienced during the 1 week I've already been in Sipi, Uganda. Just when I think the rain can't get any harder, somehow it manages to do so. Hopefully, this thatch and the corrugated tin roof will hold out throughout this midnight storm. After 6 hours of continuous rain, it certainly felt as if the waterfall was falling on the corrugated tin roof last night. I don't know that I've experienced a harder rain, and certainly not one when I couldn't have slept for 6 straight hours. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, what better way to describe the East African rainy season than to show its after effects of such a deluge? I can't imagine these clothes became much drier overnight. You know what? I'm happy! $2 for a kilogram. I can already feel the park's presence. Should I say, fracture. A clearer picture of the local attraction, the Sipi waterfall, and an appreciation for how this area is susceptible to mudslides. Yeah, some backpackers were ready and prepared for the rain. Well, the benefit for the rain having cleared is that we're able to see the valley as we are located in the slopes of Mount Elgon National Park. Not unexpectedly, the side road to the hostel, it's a bit of a mucky mess. If I don't get a chance to hike in the local trails, how would you describe the experience in this wet weather?
Muddy, wet, wet, but really nice view, beautiful nature.
This is a brave man for wearing these nice threads in what are really muddy conditions. The benefit to the rain is that they've got instant cement for their building materials. However, this has got to be arduous for shoveling. I'm just going to try one and hope that my neck, my back, my knee, and my ankle can take one shovel. Ready? Yes. Oh, that's it, right there. Okay, gentlemen, thank you very much. Okay.
The rain was there almost the whole night. So it's not usual that we have rains the whole night, but then I don't know what is happening now. I think climate is a real change. The rainy season on the slopes of Mount Elgon, it lasts for 8 months, and the dry season is for 4 months. So what we do here is that we don't cultivate or we don't plow on the slopes of the mountain such that the soil stays together. The soil is not loose, so when you don't plow, the soil stays together, and that is one way of stopping mudslides or landslides on the mountain.
The weight?
Yes.
It's almost like 50 kilos. Like 50 kgs.
Yeah. And how much does this bunch of bananas sell for?
It's like 30,000. And that is like when we exchange to dollars, it's like $10. And then in kilos, it's like 50 kgs.
And just like that, there is no more view of the waterfall.
Then also for people who are coming to hike, I recommend they come with good hiking boots. You know, our soil is so slippery, so you must have good hiking boots. And also you come along with a raincoat, such that in case it rains and when you're doing a hike, you have yourself covered.
Well, admittedly, I don't have a raincoat, and my shoes are decent, but maybe not for the slopes of Mount Elgon National Park. This has been another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets. Local people, natural sounds, not a lot of money. From the Sipi Backpackers Hostel in Sipi, Uganda. Johan, thank you very much for your participation. And, well, we'll see you, perhaps in drier conditions, on the next episode.